Microlift and Creative Magnetic Solutions together have developed the premier retractable ceiling sign system for the retail industry. Microlift is an innovative retractable signage system that allows you to raise and take down suspended signage and decor items as often as you like, without the need of a ladder, lift, or specialized labor. Microlift units easily mount directly to all ceiling types, including drywall, T-bar, and open joist. With 5 standard models to choose from and options for customized orders, these lightweight, inexpensive units enable you to change signs safely, easily, and quickly. The CMS Refacing Magnetic System, or RMS, has been in use for over 10 years and successfully vetted in the most extreme weather conditions. Magnetic snap caps on the back of your graphics provide a quick and easy solution for perfect placement of graphics when changing out your merchandising message. The new graphics come rolled in tubes. The savings over rigid board material and the cost to ship oversized cartons of displays grows exponentially with the size of your distribution list. Microlift, together with the RMS platform from Creative Magnetic Solutions, provides incredible savings, quick and easy retractable ceiling signage, and improved safety. The next time your hanging signage needs to change, keep it simple and safe with Microlift and the RMS platform from CMS. For more information, visit www.cmsrms.com.